Heyo, it's Darren, just kidding. Welcome back to another video. Today, welcome back. Wait, I already said that. Retake. Heyo, it's Darren, just kidding. Welcome back to another video. Today we're back playing some more Catbird. I'm sorry I haven't posted in a while, so I'm back with your guys' favorite Catbird. It's a series. This is like number 7, 8. I don't know, but you guys really like these stuff. Like, you might even like this more than Fortnite. I don't know, the views and the likes and stuff. But without further ado, let's touch the start. I'm gonna touch the kitty. Boop! I booped its nose. Ready? Boop! I booped its nose. So, we kind of gave up on Marda. Now, Marda? Hold up. Marda. Now we are on to Zipsa. Alright, we are over here. Oh, I think this right here is the last level. Alright, let's go. Let's play this, I guess. This is the new level. Hardwire. Oh, last time we figured out some stuff. There were like new block stuff like teleport, these things. I tried this level last time, but it was way too hard. So let's see. Oh, come on! I didn't even touch it! Alright, well, let's go like this. Ow. Okay, so we need to plan this right. Alright? No. Oh, I can't get out. Last time we got pretty far, but I don't know why I can't clear it now. Back. Okay, that's good. Oh, come on! I went the other way. The control take a long time to, activate? This is way too hard. It's harder. It's way harder than it seems. This is our 9th death. Oh shoot! And like as the name suggests, hardwire. It does like these electric zappy things as well. See that? See that? How am I supposed to avoid that? Oh yeah, they kind of spawn back. Hit it right there. So that was actually the farthest we've ever gone. I hope there's gonna be a checkpoint. Like, oh, I saw a checkpoint. There's a checkpoint. Yeah, I don't think this is the farthest we've done. Boing, boing, boing. Boing. I didn't touch it. Ooh, that was close. Timing is also the key. I accidentally hit the top one. Nice. Boop, boop. It's already hard enough. We don't need the cannons. Look at that. Already 18 deaths. 18 is way too much. Replay that. I don't even think I touched it. Back. Okay. Look at that, the cannon! It's already hard enough. Oh my god, 21 tries. I didn't even hit you! Okay, that was just this timing. Oh my god, the timing is hard to get. Nope, I'm not gonna make that. Get that! Are you kidding me? Oh my. 25 deaths! That's way too much. I'm done. Look at that, I didn't even get to touch the bottom one. Oh my god, I cannot do this. What is this? Boy! No respawn? Oh, that was just luck. Respawn? Please? Oh, boing. Oh, come on, respawn. Boing, boing, boing. Okay, and then there's like 2 tiny spikes there. You have to go. There's like a 1 block gap there. No. Come on. What the heck? My timing though. The cannons. Like, I can't do this level, guys. No. How much time? Oh my god, we spend... Wait, it said a minute. Oh yeah, that was because I stopped recording. I had to pee. Okay, this is good. Go high. Oh my god, there was an electric wire down there. I didn't see it. Oh my god! This is so frustrating. Hold up. I need to calm my brain down. This is so hard! Alright. Yeah. Okay. I'm back. Let's play. Ooh. Back. Checkpoint. Oh, the cannons go to here as well. Alright. Hope there's no bloopers on me destroying this iPad. So we're gonna be... what am I supposed to do here? Okay then, okay, wow, great. Guys, 38 deaths is like actually the record for the amount of like deaths in the whole game I've had. Like in one level. Bap, 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 bap. Oh man, where is the end? I can't see the end. Bap, bap, bap. Dang it. What the heck? 43 deaths? Yeah. Just way too hard. Ooh, that was close. Ah! I'm just gonna go, straight up go. Hold up. Hold up. Is this possible? What the heck? It didn't teleport me up. You saw that. I didn't touch you! Great. I didn't touch it. I didn't touch you! Whoa. Whoa. How am I just supposed to do this? Dude! Give me a checkpoint! Should give me another checkpoint there. 53 deaths. Oh my. Great, now we're at 57. 54. Oh my god, this is messing with my. Messing? This is. Ah! See, it's messing with my ability to comprehend. Come on. I believe in me. I have lost belief in me. Why? Please tell me, am I gonna like have to make a stream on this? Yeah, I may have to like make this video longer than like my usual, which is like, I don't know, 13 minutes. I wanna like flip off a building right now. You know what? Hold up. Let me go get water. Alright, I'm back with 58 deaths, is that? I'm just taking quick little glances because I don't want to die. Boop, boop. Boop, boop. And I forgot, these things regenerate too, so... Ooh, that was close. Oh, I like jumped up and then hit it. Like if you're really tall and you like jump and hit the ceiling, that's kind of what happened. Except in this metaphor, the ceiling is the cannon and I am the tall person. Which I look like I'm 2 foot. Like what? I mean, I'm a cat and a bird. Those are pretty... One may agree. Again, the roof thing. One may agree those are pretty small animals. Because we big animals now. Ooh. 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 Hey guys, welcome to stream. I don't know how long I've been recording for. I have to edit this all, don't I? I have to edit some bloopers out. Maybe. Hard wire. No kidding! 67 deaths. Alright, this is definitely now record. It's not a record I want, okay? Unless I get like a Guinness World Record thing. You know those things? Wow. I wanna like... blow this level up. Oh my god. Why can't I get past this? And then watch like random normal people who have never played a game just get through this like it's nothing. Again! I hit the ceiling! I'm gonna call it that now. Cause I don't know. I didn't touch it! Ooh, regenerate, regenerate! Regenerate! 74 deaths. Come on, little buddy. Come on! Oh my. Oop. Oh my. I think to me the most challenging part is the cannonball stuff. I'm sorry if I'm not talking. I'm using so much concentration. Ah! Oh my. Guys, I'm done. I am done. See you tomorrow. Subscribe. Bye.